Hello guys, today I will show you how to use ESPN Fantasy Football. So, once you load up the app, the first thing it's going to pop up on is going to be one of these screens. You'll have to click on whatever type of fantasy you're looking to play. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to join a league. Then I'm going to show you how to manage your team. After that, I'm going to show you how to create a league and the league manager tools that go along with that. And at last, I'm going to show you how to draft a team. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to join a league. If you're looking to join a public league that's just going to be with random people, you'll have to basically navigate to the application and it's going to be right here on the football page. This is Join Public League. Click whatever specifications you would like the league to have and just join a league at the bottom right there. This is how you join a public league. Now, if you're looking to join a league of one of your friends, you actually cannot join their league directly from the ESPN app. You're going to have to click the link that they sent you to be able to join their league. So, ask your friends to send you an invite link and you'll be able to join their league. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to manage your team. Now, whenever you have league, it will appear like this. It's on My Team button. It will pop up on this page. After the draft happens, your player will be in these little slots right here for the running back, quarterback, and all the players you drafted. However, my draft happened, so those players are not appearing at the moment. If you would like to change your team's name or any of those settings, you just go on the info button on the right of your screen and click on that button right there. Then click on edit and you can change your team's name, image, and all the settings similar to that. Now you can navigate to the matchup button. The matchup will show you if you're playing the current week. If you scroll to the side, you can see everyone else matchup that's going on for the week. Now, the next tab is Players tab. This is where you can see all the players that are available to be added to your roster. After the season starts, it will actually say add or it will say claim. If you click on add, the player will get directly added to your roster. You can also claim the player that will be added to your roster in a couple of days. Now, that's how you add new players to your roster. If you're not satisfied with the team, league button on the far right is where a bunch of different sections are going to be. As you can see, the scoreboard shows all the scores of the week. The standings show how everyone's doing on the season, and the schedule and the playoff brackets show your remaining schedule for the season and the playoff bracket where that comes at the end of the season. Now, messaging in the league, recent activity, everything that's been going on the league, the waiver order shows you how to claim players. League info shows all the different settings in the league, points and everything. League history allows you to see how seasons have planned out in the past over your league. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is how to create a league. After that, I will show you how to manage a league. Now, to create your league, it's going to be right next to the Join Public League button. To create a new league, add the name, size and score type, then create it. This is going to be the link that you send to your friends if you'd like them to join your league. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to get this back if you missed it. Here is the league that I created. Go to my team right there and go to the league, top right, and then it's going to be on this League Manager Tools button. This button will only appear if you are the owner of the league. Now there's a ton of different things you can do as a league manager and different settings you can edit, but those are all edited via the ESPN website. Unfortunately, you cannot do it via the application. So that was all about how to use ESPN Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.